Hey, what's up my good people? Jeff CarBuoy here, and today I'm gonna show you all the fuse box locations on Chrysler Pacifica. If you've been asking where is the interior fuse box location on Chrysler Pacifica, this particular one is 2017, and this will cover all the models 2017 to 2019. First fuse box location inside the engine cabin right here, and it's gonna be on the driver's side. This big black box right here, you just pop these two tabs right here and pop it up, and behind it is just a whole bunch of fuses and the relays, as you can see guys. And then on the back of the cover you find the diagram, the layout of these fuses and the fuse function, including the relays. Right here on the back of the cover you can see it's full of all the detailed fuse box fuse information details right there. Now if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think on the comments section. You can see it got all the details of the fuses right there. Now installing the cover back in place, you just line up those tabs on the sides and push it down to click in place, and that is one major fuse box location on this Chrysler Pacifica. Now right here on the battery there is another fuse box. There is this breather box. We just push it up and it got two tabs, which I'm gonna show you. You lift it up like that and it's going to come out. This is a tab I'm showing you. It goes right here, and right here by the battery you see this red cover. Easy to pop it up, and there you go, you find this set of fuses. And these fuses, you're probably not gonna ever have any issue with them, not unless probably you had an accident. So this one probably you're not gonna have any issue with them. So put the cover back in there, you push it and it's going to click in place. Now this 2017 Pacifica, you're not gonna find any inside the carb fuse box. There is nothing inside the carb. All the fuse box locations are inside the engine compartment. Let me know if viewers have any fuse box anywhere else other than engine compartment. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. This is Jeff CarBuoy. Subscribe and see you on the next one.